Hello everyone, welcome to How to Solver. In today's video, I will show you how to automatically translate website in Google Chrome. Firstly, you have to open Google Chrome. For example, I will be typing something random. Let's type dogs. As you can see, all the results are in English because the default language of my Chrome profile has been set to English. If you want to translate this any other language, please follow the instruction in this video. Go to this option on the three dots. Click on the settings option. From the left menu, select language. Scroll down where you can see the option translate to any other language. Here it has been set to English. As you can see, there are many language you can use. For example, I will be using Dutch. Okay, now it has been set. Let's go to the new page. Okay, let's search docs again. As you can see, the result is in English. Now click on the right side of your mouse and there is option translate to Dutch. Now all the results are translated to Dutch. As you can see, you can translate to any language by following this instruction. Thanks for watching.